Yihui Hydraulic Machinery Company Limited, established in 2009, is a company specializing in design, manufacture, and sale for all kinds of standard and non-standard hydraulic machines. We strictly implement the ISO 9001 management standards and CE and BV standards. Machines are applicable to automobile, die casting, hardware, electron, cookware, and other industries. Yihui brand press is very popular and intelligent because our press is with numerical control and with servo system, and components use very famous brands from Italy, Germany, Japan, and Chinese Taiwan. Yihui brand hydraulic press machines have been exported to 50 countries, such as America, Germany, Sweden, Japan, UK, France, Slovenia, Serbia, Korea, Saudi Arabia, Australia, Argentina, Brazil, Mexico, and so on. We can offer you the hydraulic press machine, mold, process technology, and other relative tools. We get over 15 types patents, such as appearance patent, utility model patent, and invention patent. Yihui hydraulic press with servo system can avoid the oil leakage. Because using servo motor, the oil temperature can be lower. Our machine can be English and customer country local language, bilingual operation interface, easy to operate, also can save 50% to 70% electricity energy. Parameters and speed can be adjusted on the touch screen, easy to operate. Our target is to create more value for customer. Welcome to contact us.